Hey everybody, Larry here, and welcome to Mail Call. Just got this in, and it's something that I've been excited to get. And as always, I will show you what I received, and then I will do a review later. Okay, here we go. There we go. And I purchased this pen from Gold Spot Pens. Of course, you get your receipt, and get rid of that. This is what I got in the mail. This is not just a pen. This is one of the pens. And you'll know more why in a minute. And this is why. This is the Retro 51, the Tornado, the Apollo. And like I said, when I do the review, I will go over the pen from the top of the finial to the bottom of the barrel to the insides working the pen. So here it is. This was a special order, and I got a message from Gold Spot Pens. So did a bunch of other people. If you're on the mailing list, if you were interested to pre-order this pen, you could. So I did, and I can't wait to share this super historical pen with you folks out there. Until the review, peace, be safe, and don't text and drive. Later.